Hello friends, welcome back to School of Technology YouTube channel. Today I am very happy because I got a Canon 200D, my first DSLR from my YouTube earning. Now let's we see the unboxing of the Canon 200D. Let's we start. Now I am going to open this box and let me see what are present inside this box. Whoa, it's a manual. This manual give the introduction about the EOS 200 and the extra informations and a warranty card and the wire that connected to the charger, and here is the charger. We can connect this with the AC source and we can place the battery inside this charger to charge. Then we see the Canon 200D. Wow, it's look great with smooth finishing. You can see that it's a movable display. You can slide up when you are on working. And this is the battery of this Canon 200D with a separate cover. Here you can see that it's a 9-volt battery and about 1400 milliampere. And this is the important part of the camera, the lens. And the lens is about 18 to 55 mm aperture. And also we get another lens along with this camera. And it's about 55 to 250 mm. Now I am going to on this camera. Now I am placing this battery inside this camera. You see the button of off, on and the camera mode. You just slide it on the on mode and the camera is on. Now we are going to take some videos and image to check the clarity and the efficiency of the image.
And let me see how to remotely control your camera through your smartphone.